A lot of people have been asking me how to trade on Gravity. So that's a GRVT, a great perpetuals platform that I've reviewed on this channel a couple of times. So in today's video, I just want to show you how you can actually trade perpetuals on one of the most advanced and secure hybrid exchanges in the market today. If you like the kind of content on this channel, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Check out the link to Gravity in the description, right? So this is an amazing platform, right? Today, I just want to put a couple of trades through so you can kind of just see how this whole platform works. So it's a very, very simple platform to get started with. Like I said, there's a link in the description. All you need to do is just create and verify your Gravity account, right? So first you need to just head over to the main URL, grvt.io, but if you use the link down below, you can qualify for special perks. So you can sign up using a Web2 friendly method, whether that's email, Google, Microsoft login, whatever. Once you've logged in, you will need to complete KYC verification. I like to use MetaMask. I like to trade obviously with my non-custodial wallet, which is what you will be using here. But before we get to that, we'll talk about your KYC process. You need to do that because this is a platform that does definitely incentivize you also to do your KYC. There are tokens that you can get and raffle tickets sometimes too. So you can just go to that side bar, click verify, upload your passport ID or driver's license, whatever you're going to use, complete that face recognition, wait for approval. Under 24 hours, typically, once you're verified, you, like you said, get your rewards as well. And you can get set up now, right? You can set up your wallet to use Gravity's. They've also got a built-in biometric secured wallet, right? So you can connect an external wallet like MetaMask via Wallet Connect. If you're using Gravity Wallet, it's a full self-custodial wallet also that uses MPC and Face ID or fingerprint secure access. So great. Gravity never holds your private keys, by the way. Once your wallet is set up, you are ready to pretty much deposit the funds and get trading. So you can deposit USDT for trading. There are 3 ways to deposit into your Gravity account: via Ethereum or Arbitrum networks, right? So you can do direct transfers from your wallet. You can do an exchange transfer from a centralized exchange, for example, like Binance to Gravity, or you can use an on-ramp method where you can buy crypto using a bank card or credit card. Once you funded your funding account, you can transfer the funds to your trading account so you can begin trading, right? And then you can navigate the perpetuals market. You can go to that perpetuals tab and search for any pair that you like, whether it's Optimism USDT, for example. You have a very good, a powerful, friendly interface there, powered by TradingView on the order book chart and trade history. All position panels all available there. You can adjust your leverage margin mode as well, whether it's 10x, 5x, 50x, whatever, cross margined. And then you can place your trade basically. So you can go long or short. You can set the limit price, enter the amount. You can preview the margin. Okay, you can click buy to confirm, and then your order will fill immediately or sit in that order book until that price hits, right? So to, it's pretty much, if you want to short, you can follow the same steps and then just sell short, right? So you can also monitor your positions, which is very great. Once your trade is live, you can track entry price, P&L, unrealized and realized, liquidation price, margin ratios, all of that. Gravity does offer real-time updates, which is great. Gasless trading, super fast UI, under 10 milliseconds latency. If price moves in your favor, you can take profit at your target. You can set a stop loss to protect your downside. You can manually close any position at any time. And you can withdraw and move your funds when you're done. You can transfer profits back into your trading account, to your funding account, for example, then withdraw to your personal wallet or exchange if you want. All withdrawals are protected by smart contracts, 2FA. And it's a very, very great platform to start trading perpetuals. It's a fully self-custodial platform, fast and secure. And keep an eye on that rewards portal. You can earn Gravity points for trading volume, referrals, liquidity provision. We had a fantastic trading competition for the community. We nearly touched 12 million in volume. And I'm gonna ask the team from GRVT, maybe we'll do this one more time. But you guys get started with the link down below. Trade. They've got very great incentives, okay? And you know, they have an options platform coming soon. They've got vaults coming soon, which is something very, very exciting that I'll be bringing to you to really show you how it all goes down. Make sure you follow these guys on all their socials. It's a great team, a really professional platform that you can trust. And, you know, it's really giving you power. You can trade on a non-custodial fashion. GRVT.io. This is the place to be, GRVT, man. Check out the links in the description. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. If you've got any questions about GRVT, then give us a shout out in the comments or join our Telegram. Hit me up there and I'll be able to walk you through anything that you have questions about this incredible platform. Peace, happy trading, and stay safe. Not financial advice.
This is the future we are building. A new era of finance. Secure and scalable for everyone. Join us. Let's build a financial system that truly stands the test of time.